Microsoft Security Copilot is an innovative product using artificial intelligence. It adapts to the changing tactics of threat actors and the organization's regular operations. This results in smart, automated incident responses. However, it still requires a skilled security analyst to ensure optimal performance. Mario Arjona, Chief of Staff at Outsourced Solutions Group, says, "What we know about Security Copilot is still emerging, but it is showing incredible promise in these early stages." To use Security Copilot, organizations must first qualify for the Early Access Program, which is invite-only. The program requires organizations to use AI as an enhancer and accelerator of human decisions, not a replacement. Once qualified, the tool can be deployed as standalone or embedded into other Microsoft products. During onboarding, organizations must confirm their location since customer data is stored based on geolocation. The usage of Security Copilot varies if it's standalone or embedded. The standalone experience involves direct interaction with the tool, whereas the embedded experience integrates it into existing products like Microsoft 365, Defender, Microsoft Sentinel, or Microsoft Intune. But what can you do with Microsoft Security Copilot? 1. Incident response. It summarizes cybersecurity incident details, assesses the impact, and guides remediation steps. 2. Threat hunting. It aids proactive threat hunting and intelligence gathering. 3. Security posture management. It provides information on events that might expose an organization to threats. 4. Device identity and data management. It offers functionalities in these areas to enhance security. 5. Cloud security analysis. It provides insights into cyber attack paths affecting cloud workloads. 6. Generate security reports. Security Copilot is capable of creating detailed reports on security investigations. Key benefits of using Security Copilot include 1. Amplified team efficiency. It can guide your teams with actionable insights from massive data analysis. 2. Enhanced junior staff capability. The tool offers step-by-step guidance to empower junior staff. 3. Compliance assistance. It can analyze documents and uncover potential compliance risks. 4. Identity management optimization. It rapidly generates real-time information for access control decisions. 5. Streamlined operations. It manages vulnerabilities and speeds up the analysis of scripts and queries. Microsoft Security Copilot represents an exciting innovation in cybersecurity. It's not a replacement for a high-quality cybersecurity team, but it is poised to make their work more effective. For the latest updates, keep an eye on the official Microsoft website.